That's basically it. Okay. So here's what I want you to tell me. We're going to watch this magic trick. It's a pretty popular magic trick out there on the streets. Okay. And it's all based in science. And I want you to tell me, is it possible to turn silver into gold?
Yes.
Oh, Dom, you say yes. You were so confident in that. Why?
Yes, because there's so many possibilities, so many variables, miss. And if you mix the right certain like elements, not like what I mean is like entities, miss. Like
Okay.
those little atoms, miss. It could turn it like into gold, miss.
Okay. So I could take this, like these 2 silver rings that I wear every day. These are sterling silver. Okay. Can I change these to gold?
Maybe, miss. There's a possibility you could change it to gold or rose gold.
Okay. Okay. What else? Yeah, Maya, go ahead.
I believe it just get gold paint and paint the silver.
Okay, so we could do a gold paint. That's true. That's true. But could I chemically change it into gold? Like gold?
No.
Like these. Like these are rose gold earrings. So could I change?
Probably not.
Are they real?
These ones? These are real rose gold.
Yeah.
These are real silver. And we're going to work with silver.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Anyone else want to add to that? I'm just curious. What do we think? And you can put in the chat or come off mute, whatever you think. We're going to watch a video of this guy doing it. This magician is about to turn some silver into gold. And I want you to tell me how. Or is it possible? Or is it just an illusion? Is it a magic trick? I want you to tell me.
Oh my gosh, of this world. Trying to go. Wow, that's incredible.
Sometimes because of the heat transfer, it gets a little warm. You see it?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Look at this. Look at that.
Okay, what happened? What did you see? What happened?
He used the lighter, miss, and the liquid.
Yeah, he used the lighter so his hand could absorb the heat, and then he starts to add the heat on the silver.
So I hear that he like absorbed the heat in his hand, right? And then was like, ooh, abracadabra type of situation, right? And turned gold. Do y'all think that's real gold? Did he just create?
No,
No, Dallas, tell me more. What do you think? What do you think happened?
you cannot make gold from silver.
Okay. You seem super confident in that, Dallas. Super confident. Anyone else want to add to that? Dallas is like, no way.
I think he just burned the color off.
Burned the color off. Okay. Sorry, I'm eating a peppermint.
Maybe the heat probably like, I don't know, like I don't get it. Like that was cool, but maybe after he heated it up and like put some color on it after he put it in the water. Is that cold or hot water?
Is it? I think it's just like the temperature that it is outside. You know what I mean? Just like
Yeah. Maybe after he put it in the water, it since it was already changing that color, it probably changed all the way.
Okay. Loving this, y'all. I love it. So some of us are like, dang, how did he do that? Some of us are like, he didn't do that. Something's tricky there, right? Doing something tricky. We're gonna do this today. We're gonna make gold from silver. Okay. I want you to tell me how it's possible. That when it's like when we add heat to other metals and they turn black or red. That's what happened here. Like the intense heat turned this to gold. Okay. What if I showed you these? What if I showed you this right here?
Okay, so one second, very
Ignore
low.
my that. What if I told you that there are these things called alloys? Have y'all ever heard of an alloy before?
No.
There are 3 types of alloys. They're like special metals. We have brass, bronze, and steel. So this is what happens when we mix multiple metals together. What do you think we created? Because we did not create real gold. Even though like ancient alchemists did this, they did this. And they were like, oh, I obviously created gold. It looks like gold. So it's gold, obviously. But it wasn't, right? We cannot just magically make gold. I wish, okay? But we can't, right? So we made an alloy. And out of brass, bronze, and steel, steel. Brass is made of copper and zinc. Bronze is made of copper and tin. And steel is made of our iron and carbon. Which of these three do you think we made when we made this gold penny? What do you think? Which one of these three did we make?
Bronze.
Why? Why bronze?
No, I was just gonna say.
So why do you think bronze? Or does anyone think something else? What do you think we made? What do y'all think?
Brass.
Brass.
Okay, I'm hearing some brass, I'm hearing some bronze. Seeing some more brass in there. Why do we think brass versus bronze? Why?
Because brass looks more brighter than bronze.
Okay, looks brighter. Okay, Lily, what were you gonna say? I saw you come off mute.
Because the penny is mainly made out of like copper and zinc.
Absolutely. So it's made of copper and zinc. When we cover it in the zinc granules and sodium hydroxide, it turns it silver or a zinc color. Okay. Then we add heat, and that zinc and that copper and that sodium bond together and turn it brass, turns it to a gold. Absolutely. Love that. So here's